Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Inazuma 11 Victory Road game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now after your PS5 restarts, check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first. Now hold down the power button unless two beeps or occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. For that, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings, then click on users and accounts. Then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Inazuma 11 Victory Road game. Then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete game's save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select Inazuma 11 Victory Road game and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and then move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to check PS5 overheating. For that, make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to reinstall Inazuma 11 Victory Road game. For that, highlight Inazuma 11 Victory Road on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Inazuma 11 Victory Road game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just go through it and explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game, and hopefully the support team will help you to resolve the problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.